scientific theories develop from knowledge based on the evidence from observed facts. As new evidence comes to light, so scientific theories are modified. In today's Apple Pi, we look at some of the evolutionary theories that have been modified in the light of recent evidence. Lee Holdaway is an animal ranger for a company called Living Science. I asked Lee to show us some of the theories in animal evolution that have been modified in recent history.
This is a boa constrictor. It's a snake from Central or South America. Now, for a long time it was believed that lizards actually evolved from snakes. It was felt that legs were a positive evolutionary step, but therefore they must have come afterwards. However, recent findings have shown that that is not the case. Lizards moved underground, where legs would actually be an encumbrance. They'd stop you moving through holes and burrows, so legs got smaller and snakes evolved. However, the boa, like the python, is an ancient form of snake, and it still retains vestiges of rear limbs. And they are located on the ventral surface, and they're either side of the cloaca or vent. And they feel like and resemble cat's claws. One piece of evidence that proves that these evolved from lizards and not the other way around.
Theories are not always modified. Sometimes they are simply discarded if new evidence proves them to be incorrect. Some animal characteristics cannot always be explained.
This is a juvenile Pandinus imperator, or emperor scorpion. And like other scorpions, it has the ability to fluoresce or glow under ultraviolet light. Now, for many years we were taught that the reason it did this was to make it attractive to insects. And the reason this made it attractive to insects were, under ultraviolet light, the emperor scorpion and other scorpions appear green. This made them resemble a leaf, the insect's favourite food. However, as we now know, leaves under ultraviolet light do not appear green to insects. They have a purple colour. So we know that that theory was in fact wrong. It would still seem that insects are attracted to this colour, but for reasons we're not yet certain of.
Our knowledge of DNA has now allowed us a more complete knowledge of the development of different species and has enabled us to understand better how different species relate together. As our knowledge increases, will you be ready to understand and accept them? Back to the studio.